Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share little project share some little charms that I made, and then I'm going to show you how I made one of them or two of them. I was just experimenting. So this one is these little things I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I just made like my little jars. I have a video on how I made those with some seed beads, and then I just wire wrapped, not wire wrapped, it's just, I made some little charms. So I did that one. Then I did this one. I love this one. This is probably one of my favorite ones. So I have these little heart charms, and I just love the colors together. And I used a ball pen, which those are, if you can't really see them that well, these right here. I don't know, I hope you guys can see that. And so I did this one here. Love how it turned out. With a little tassel on it. So the first thing I need to do is add a jump ring to this, because that's what I did on this one. I added a jump ring. I'm just going to use two pliers to open my jump ring. Okay. See, I just like look for a hole to put it through. Okay, there it goes. That was pretty easy. I'm glad that that was pretty easy. I'm gonna leave it open because we still have to attach it to the eye pen. So here's an eye pen, silver eye pen. I'm going to attach this, add this little ball here. I wanted to do this. Oh, I wanted to do this one next. The heart. Got it. And then the blue berry beads. I forgot what they're called. I think they're berry beads. And now I'm going to make a loop. Okay, so there's my loop. Alright, so now I'm going to actually go ahead and attach this to this one here. Just like that. And then I'm going to close the jump ring. Okay. So there's that. Look how cute that is. I absolutely love it. Okay. You can hide that little, like, you can hide this in here. Okay. And then I'm going to add the little, I didn't need the jump ring for, I just need one of the jump rings, which this one, I already had one on here. So I'm just going to use the one that's on here. I'm just going to open it. that's it. Super simple. Turned out so cute. I love these and how they turned out. And thanks for watching. Please go over to my other channel. It's going to be for jewelry making. And soon I'll have a little giveaway for that channel. And it's in Spanish. I'm going to see if I try to translate it. If I have some time, I will. Otherwise, please stay with me and share my videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.